During a recent visit to China, Bélen, chief executive of Germany's Group, expressed confidence in China's economy and reaffirmed the company's commitment to the Chinese market.
China continues to be a very strategic market for Merck. It's our second most important market and one of the fastest growing. So we have a strong footprint in China that has developed very rapidly in recent years. We have 7 sites, almost 5,000 employees, and the contribution of China to our global operations is critical on several fronts. One, our regionalized supply chain. Second, innovation. In addition to that, we continue to invest very heavily in China, and both in 2022 and this year. As an example, our life science business have in total invested 200 million euros in different expansion.
Merck Group, a leading science and technology group in Germany, entered the Chinese market around 90 years ago. It has established a strong presence in China in its 3 core sectors: life science, healthcare, and electronics. It also has an innovation center in China.